Okay, so this week we actually started to use JDBC to enter some data into our MySQL database. So in the projects app class, we have a process user selections function or method, and what it does is it basically does the logic of working the menus. Right now, we only have one menu option, and that calls a create project function. Otherwise, it will throw some error, or if you do a certain sequence of events, which is hitting enter, it will exit the menu. So we've got our create project function, and what that does is it creates a project object and populates it by providing the user with a bunch of prompts. Also in this class, we have a bunch of logic for handling their prompts or their answers to their prompts and converting it into the right number or text format and making sure that works, and error handling along with that as well. And so, we've got get integer, big decimal, get string, and then in project service, this is a pass through, and the project DAO class is the kind of where the logic of talking to the database goes. So we've got some constants here that point us to our tables, and then this insert project function, which basically writes a big SQL statement and then formats it with the the text values from our user supplied information, and some error handling. And then let's see here, what does it also do? It is calling execute update, so it's putting it in there. It's in a transaction, so it will either roll back or commit, and it pulls back the project ID, so we can do things like load a child record in a parent-child relationship. So yeah, we'll give her a run here and add a project, and this one will be weld the center ring. Estimated hours is 3, took 4, difficulty 1, project notes, get better deal next time. And it has, been entered into the database. If I go over to MySQL, I can see that it's all in there. So